Firstly, squeeze synthetic wig shampoo into a bowl of lukewarm water and mix it in with your hands to ensure the solution has dissolved. Then place the wig in the bowl and rub the shampoo into the crown of the wig and inside the wig cap. Let the wig soak in water for a couple of minutes. You can also soak and wash your wig in a sink following the same techniques. Gently rinse the product off your synthetic wig by running it under a tap. To encourage the solution to come off, use your fingers to manoeuvre the hairs so that the water reaches all parts of the wig. Once rinsed, we suggest holding a towel under the wig to avoid water droplets. Then, lay your wig on top of half the towel and dab it softly to encourage excess moisture to leave the wig and be absorbed by the towel. Make sure you refill your bowl with clean, lukewarm water before you begin the conditioning process. Once refilled, pour conditioner for synthetic wigs into the bowl and mix the water with your hands until the conditioner solution has dissolved. Once ready, put your wig into the bowl and rub the conditioner into the ends of the hair strands, then let the wig soak for a couple of minutes. Just like you did with the shampoo, return your wig to under the tap and allow the water to rinse off any remaining conditioner. The water tends to do most of the work, so you don't have to fiddle with the wig itself too much. Again, dab your wig softly with a towel until it's slightly drier and no longer dripping. With synthetic wigs, knots fall out as they dry, so there's no need to brush them through. Now you can leave it to dry naturally, making sure it stays out of direct sunlight to avoid damage.